Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur face in video using Premiere Pro. I've already added footage in Premiere Pro timeline and use this footage as an example. This I am going to the footage first and select this footage. Go to the effect, type here music, click, drag and drop into the footage. Now go to the effect control, into the mosaic, click the ellipse tool and go here and resize the tool, resize it, resize the tool, resize it, resize the tool and at the volume, horizontal blocks will be 100, vertical will be 100, feather will be 50. Okay, now make sure the footage play button is first and start tracking. Okay, wait for a few times to finish that tracking and back again a few times. Okay, footage tracking is done. Now see the effect. See, this blur effect is applied here. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.